Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious, moist and fluffy lemon loaf cake. This recipe requires just a whisk and a bowl, so let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut my butter into small cubes, and then we're going to place this into a microwave safe bowl and microwave this for about 60 seconds until some of the butter is melted while the rest becomes softened. Doing this just makes it so much easier to use a whisk rather than an electric mixer. Now we're going to add that into a large bowl along with some granulated sugar and the zest of 2 lemons. Give this a whisk until it is nice and creamy. This takes about a minute or two. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so click the link to check that out. Once that's done, we're going to add in 3 room temperature eggs, one at a time, whisking well between each addition. If you love lemons, then you are going to love this cake. It is bursting with lemon flavor. It is moist, soft, and fluffy, and just perfect. Once that's done, we're going to add in some yogurt or sour cream, some vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Give this a mix, and at this point the mixture will look a little grainy and curdled, and that is totally normal. Everything will come together when we add in the dry ingredients. We're going to add in all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, and we're going to give this a mix until it is fully incorporated. This batter is quite thicker than regular cake batter, so it will be a little bit harder to mix. Transfer the batter into a greased and lined loaf pan, and then we're going to bake this at about 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. As soon as your cake comes out of the oven, we're going to start to prepare the lemon syrup. Combine granulated sugar and lemon juice and then microwave this for about 30 seconds until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now you're going to pour the syrup all over the hot cake, but before that you want to go ahead and poke holes all over the cake using a skewer or a toothpick. Now I'm just going to pour all of that lemon syrup we just made over the hot cake. Once that's done, you're going to let the cake cool down completely before adding on the glaze. For the lemon glaze, combine powdered sugar and lemon juice to form a slightly thick glaze. The glaze should be thick, but it should still fall off the spoon when you pick it up. If you think the glaze is too thick, you can go ahead and add about half a tablespoon more of lemon juice, and if you think it's too thin, you can add some more powdered sugar. Spread the glaze all over your cooled cake, and that's it. Your lemon cake is ready to be sliced and enjoyed. If you wanted to, you could also skip the lemon glaze entirely and just have the cake by itself. If you are going to do that, remember to add about a 1/4 cup extra of granulated sugar into the cake batter. And that's how easy it is to make this delicious treat. It is moist, fluffy, and it is so lemony. It goes perfect with a cup of tea or coffee or even just as a snack. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.